Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a cook-up rice with okra and saltfish. So here I go with the list of ingredients. So I have here some carrot, finely chopped up. This is about 1 cup of rice, or long grain rice. This is about a medium onion that I finely chopped up. Some okra, about a dozen okra finely chopped, but just sliced up thinly. And this is some saltfish where I removed most of the salt. And this is about 1.5 tablespoons of homemade green seasoning, some black pepper. Well, of course, wouldn't need any salt because the saltfish already has some salt. And this is about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is just to make the rice look extra pretty. So let's get to the stove and let's put everything together. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove already hot. I'm going to add some oil. Now I'm going to add the onion. Let us saute for a few minutes. I'm going to add the saltfish, okra, I'm going to add the carrots, next I'm going to add the green seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, okay, now I'm going to add in the rice. Turmeric powder. Mix that in quickly. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of water to allow the rice to cook. Okay folks, my rice is almost done. My cell phone is not really actually showing you the actual beauty of how this rice is looking with all the different colors, the yellow from the turmeric powder, the carrots and the okra. Those different colors make the rice look so pretty. Anyways, almost done. I added about another cup of water for the rice to fully cook, and I tasted it. I think I added a little bit of salt because apparently I almost washed out all of the salt from the saltfish, and that's about it. If you like your stuff spicy, you can add maybe a scotch bonnet pepper, maybe some homemade pepper sauce to make it spicy. But I'm watching the spices, hot spices, so I didn't add any more pepper. So I'm almost done. So after this, I'll do a presentation. Okay folks, so here's my cook-up rice with okra and saltfish, looking super delicious. You must give us a try. I'm using my camera this time, not my cell phone, and you can actually see the beauty of this rice with the different colors and stuff. The green from the okra, the yellow from the turmeric powder, and the orange from the carrot. Super pretty. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.